In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the font settings on your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's aesthetic or simply fine-tune your design, understanding how to adjust these elements can make a significant difference. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This is your central hub for making changes and managing your site, so it's essential to get comfortable navigating it. Once you've accessed your dashboard, move towards the section where you can manage your websites. You should see a list of websites you are working on. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to update. After selecting your website, focus your attention on the menu options available to you. You're going to want to click on the Website tab. This is where you'll find the settings relevant to your site's design and content. Under this tab, there's an option labeled Styles, which you need to click. This will bring you to a more detailed style editor where you can start adjusting various design elements of your site. Once in the Styles section, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a set of options and menus that you can use to modify different style components of your website. Look for the arrow situated to the right side of the font section. Clicking this arrow will open up more specific font settings that you can customize. Now, you're looking to refine the appearance of your headings, so go ahead and click on Headings. Here, you'll find several options to adjust your site's typography. You can change font types and sizes, and crucially, adjust the spacings of your headings. Experimenting here by increasing or decreasing the spacing can dramatically alter the feel and readability of your text. Take your time to experiment, as these adjustments can significantly impact the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your design. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. Your hard work deserves to be preserved. Look toward the upper left corner of your screen, and you should see the Save option. Give that a click to ensure all your customized settings are stored properly. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your font settings on your Squarespace website. These minor tweaks can significantly elevate your site's look and user experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!